Choosing the right LiFePO4 Lithium battery can be challenging. Low cycle life, poor battery management systems, slow charging, and unreliable performance often create frustration. That's where LiFePO4 batteries stand out, with longer lifespan, better safety, and consistent power output. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best LiFePO4 Lithium batteries for 2026. Perfect for solar systems, RVs, boats, and backup power. We analyze specs and real user feedback to build this list. Links are in the description for latest prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. KEZIMO 12-volt lithium iron phosphate battery. The KEZIMO 12-volt lithium iron phosphate battery offers a powerful combination of capacity and smart features, available in 100 amp and 200 amp options, with up to 2,600 watt-hour energy output. It comes with a built-in Bluetooth BMS, allowing real-time monitoring through your smartphone. With up to 6,000 charge cycles, this battery ensures long-term reliability. Its IP56 rated design adds durability for outdoor use, making it suitable for fishing boats, RVs, and solar setups. USB QC charging support adds convenience, making it a versatile and modern power solution. Number 4. VariCore DIY LiFePO4 Battery Cells. The VariCore LiFePO4 battery pack is ideal for users who prefer a customizable DIY setup. Available in multiple capacities like 105 amp, 280 amp, 320 amp, and 360 amp, these 3.2 volt cells can be configured into 12 volt systems for electric vehicles, RVs, or solar storage. Known for stable performance and long lifespan, these cells provide excellent efficiency when paired with a proper BMS. It's a great option for advanced users who want flexibility and control over their energy system while achieving high-capacity power storage. Number 3. PAPOOL 48-volt LiFePO4 battery. The PAPOOL 48-volt LiFePO4 battery is built for heavy-duty energy storage, offering configurations up to 300 AH and 15 kilowatt capacity. Designed for solar systems and home backup, it delivers around 6,000 charge cycles with consistent performance. Its integrated battery management system ensures safety, voltage stability, and efficient charging. With strong output and reliable energy storage, it's perfect for off-grid setups, large solar installations, and high-demand applications. This battery is a solid choice for users needing powerful and scalable energy solutions. Number 2. RVPOZWER LiFePO4 Battery. The RVPOZWER LiFePO4 battery stands out with an impressive lifespan of up to 15,000 cycles, making it one of the most durable options available. It comes in multiple capacities, from 100 amps to 300 amps, suitable for RVs, vans, camping, and solar energy storage. Equipped with a high-quality BMS, it protects against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Its stable power delivery and long-lasting performance make it a reliable choice for both mobile and home energy systems, perfect for users who want durability and consistent output. Number 1. Humsienk Bluetooth LiFePO4 Battery. The Humsienk 12-volt 100 amp-hour LiFePO4 battery takes the top spot with its advanced Bluetooth monitoring and outstanding 13,000 cycle lifespan. Designed for real-time performance tracking, it allows users to check battery status directly from their phone. Its compact GP24 size makes it ideal for RVs, boats, trolling motors, and home energy storage. The built-in BMS ensures safety and efficient operation, while its high cycle life guarantees long-term value. This battery delivers premium performance, smart features, and exceptional reliability. LiFePO4 batteries offer unmatched lifespan, safety, and efficiency compared to traditional options. These top 5 choices provide reliable power for solar systems, RVs, boats, and backup energy needs. Whether you want smart features or maximum capacity, there's a perfect option here. Which one fits your setup? Comment below and subscribe for more reviews.